In a previous video, we showed how ice cream is made from fresh milk, starting at dairy farms before going through pasteurization, homogenization, aging, freezing, and packaging. But not every ice cream manufacturer begins with fresh milk. Many producers use ice cream concentrate, a specially prepared blend that already contains key dairy ingredients and has undergone much of the early processing. So why is concentrate used? It helps manufacturers save time, maintain consistent quality from batch to batch, reduce production costs, and simplify operations. Instead of processing large volumes of raw milk every day, producers can work with a ready-made base designed specifically for ice cream production. The process begins when ice cream concentrate arrives at the manufacturing facility. The concentrate is carefully stored under controlled conditions to preserve its quality. Before production starts, the concentrate is inspected and tested to ensure it meets the required standards. Next, the concentrate is transferred into large stainless steel mixing tanks. Water is added according to precise formulations, and depending on the desired product, additional ingredients such as sugar, stabilizers, flavorings, or coloring may also be introduced. Powerful mixers blend everything together until a smooth and uniform mixture is achieved. Once blended, the mixture may undergo further heat treatment if required by the production process and local food safety regulations. The mixture is then cooled and allowed to rest. This resting period helps the ingredients combine properly and improves the texture of the final product. Afterward, the mixture moves into specialized ice cream freezers. As the mixture freezes, it is continuously churned while air is incorporated into it. This creates the light, creamy texture that consumers expect from quality ice cream. At this stage, ingredients such as chocolate chips, cookie pieces, nuts, caramel swirls, or fruit chunks can be added to create different varieties and flavors. The soft ice cream then moves to the packaging line, where automated machines fill cups, cones, tubs, and other containers with precise amounts of product. Once packaged, the ice cream enters a blast freezer, where it rapidly hardens. This step helps maintain a smooth texture and prevents large ice crystals from forming. The finished products are transferred to cold storage facilities and later distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, convenience stores, and ice cream shops. Using ice cream concentrate allows manufacturers to produce large quantities of ice cream efficiently while maintaining consistent taste, texture, and quality. Whether it starts with fresh milk or a carefully prepared concentrate, the goal remains the same, creating the smooth, creamy frozen dessert enjoyed by millions of people around the world. And that's how ice cream is made from ice cream concentrate.